Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You must start with verified access. Log in now and confirm you control the account. Once logged in, inspect profile right arrow edit profile to see visible contact options. Make sure your email and phone in settings right arrow account, right arrow personal information are up to date because Instagram hides some details for privacy. If you don't have access, prepare recovery email, linked Facebook account, or proof of identity to request support. Begin these steps immediately so you can pull the contact number reliably and securely. Once done with initial checks, navigate to settings, then account and personal information. You'll find contact options where a phone number is stored. You can edit or verify that number. Tap Verify to receive a code if you control it. If the field is empty, check linked accounts right arrow Facebook or login activity for clues. Sometimes the number is listed on the connected account. Make sure to note country code and formatting so you can use the number for recovery or two-factor setup without errors. To finish, verify the number by requesting a login code or enabling two-factor authentication. You'll receive an SMS confirming the exact digits. If you cannot access the number, use account recovery with your email, linked Facebook, or submit a support request with ID. Make sure to clear cache, try a different device, and update the app if data doesn't appear. If things go wrong, the key troubleshooting tip is to use verified recovery methods and contact Instagram support with proof of identity.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.